Present, ma'am.
कृष्णा बंसल, कृष्णा बंसल, महक सोनी, नरगिस खान,
Present, ma'am.
निकिता चौधरी, निजदा गेरा, प्रांजल कटारिया।
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. प्रिंस सोनवाल, पुलकित माथुर, राघव मेहता, राहुल परमार, ऋषिका जोधा, शगुन रावत, शिवम शर्मा, सोविक नागर.
Present, ma'am.
Souvik, what about your registration charges and fees? Those who haven't submitted, do it fast. Don't waste your time. It is not an easy task. आपका ये पैसे यहाँ से फीस के जाएंगे, then your LOC will come. You people are not understanding and taking it lazily. Those who haven't submitted can submit now. Don't waste your time. Tanishq Yadav. Tanishq
Present, ma'am.
Yadav. Both are
Present,
present.
ma'am.
Both are
Yes,
present.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vinika Prajapat. Vinika. Vishakha. Vishal Bhatia. Vishal Bhatia. And Yash Rupani. Now 10th B. Aditi Khatri.
Present, ma'am.
Akshat. Amrita.
Present, ma'am.
Anushka.
Present, ma'am.
Athar Gautam.
Present, ma'am.
Bhavna Dinani.
Present, ma'am.
Bhumika. Deepak Shukla.
Present, ma'am.
Dev Lalwani. Dev Lalwani.
Present, ma'am.
Diksha Gangwani. Diya Dhabat. Diya Mankani. Diksha is present. Show me your hand, Diksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Himanshu Singh Rawat. Indrajit. Janvi Bhartendu.
Present, ma'am.
Khushbu Chelani. Laiba Sajid. Lokesh. Manoj. Mayank Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Mohit Kakwani. Namita Meena.
Present,
Nitin Yogi.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Okay, Nitin Yogi. Then
Yes,
Payal
ma'am. Present.
Vijay.
Yes, ma'am.
Payal
Yes,
Vijay.
ma'am.
Purnima Nagwani.
Present, ma'am.
Ritika Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Samad Shandilya.
Present, ma'am.
Tanish God. Vansh Handa. Vanshika Prajapat. Vardhan. Vaishnavi Sahu. Yash Lohana.
Present, ma'am.
Yash Purohit. And Yash Vardhan.
Vardhan present, ma'am. Hello.
Now the question is, start writing. Yesterday we are having the questions. 2 or 3 questions are still remaining of the same chapter, the sermon at Banaras. And the question is, first of all, I'll read the question, then I'll dictate it to you. Listen to the question first, once again. How did Buddha teach? How did Buddha teach Kisa Gautami the truth of life? Now write it down in your copy. How did Buddha teach Kisa Gautami the truth of life? The truth of life. And your answer is Kisa Gautami was totally dejected by the death of her only son. She wandered WANDERED. Wandered means घूमना. From door to door to save the life of her son. She ultimately went to Buddha who asked her to bring a handful of mustard seeds This raised a hope in Gautami's heart Gautami apostrophe S you have to put, and heart you have to write. Gautami's heart that her son could be revived but Buddha imposed a condition. IMPOSED. Buddha imposed a condition after full stop you have to write, he told that the seeds should be from a house from a house where people had not lost a loved one to death. This made Kissa Gautami, after full stop, this made Kissa Gautami realize the bitter truth of life, sorrows are a part of life, and it can never be denied. Now the next question is, first the question I'll read. What does Buddha say about the world? Now note it down. What does Buddha say about the world? Buddha says that everything in this world is subject to death.
मैम व्हाट इज द आफ्टर वर्ल्ड?
हाँ?
मैम वर्ल्ड की बात क्या लिखना है?
World, I'm not telling about word. WORLD, world means samsar. World is subject, SUBJECT, subject to death, DEATH. Subject to death. He further says that the world is deeply affected. The spelling of affected you have to write AFFECTED, affected by suffering, 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 disease, DISEASE, disease or pain. फुल स्टॉप के बाद लिखिए डेथ इज इनएविटेबल. इनएविटेबल का स्पेलिंग लिखिए INEVITABLE. Nobody can escape. And now I have given you two questions which are the lengthy questions, and you have to give the answer in 60 to 80 words. So the first question is, life is full of trials and tribulation. Kisa Gautami also passes through a period of grief in her life. How does she behave in those circumstances? Now start writing the question. Life is full of trials and tribulations. Trials and tribulations. Gautami also passes through. Gautami also passes through a period of grief. A period of grief in her life. How does she behave? How does she behave in those circumstances? How does she behave in those circumstances? Now, start writing the answer. Kisa Gautami was very sad. Kisa Gautami was very sad, losing her child. Losing her child. She carried her dead child. She carried her dead child to her neighbors. To her neighbors in order to get medicines. In order to get medicine to bring him back to life. To bring him back to life. Her neighbors thought her neighbors thought that she had gone insane. Insane means pagal. As she was not able to accept the fact not able to accept the fact. It was at that time when someone suggested her to go to Sakya Muni. Put a comma and write down the Buddha. When she asked Buddha to give her the medicine, to cure her boy, Buddha told her to fetch a handful of to fetch a hand full of mustard seeds, to fetch a hand full of mustard seeds from a house where no one had lost a child but didn't find a single house where no one had died, Observing this, she chanced upon a realization that death is an inevitable part of life, and anyone who is born is bound to die one day. Thus Buddha changed her understanding of death by this exercise. Now the next question is, first I am reading the question. The life of mortal in this world is troubled and brief and combined with pain. With this statement of Buddha, find out the moral values that Kissa Gautami learned after the death of her child. Now write down the question, though we have written it before also. The life of mortals in this world is troubled and brief and combined with pain with this statement of Buddha, find out the moral values that Kissa Gautami learned after the death of her child. Now start writing the answer. After the death of her only son, Kissa Gotmi went to Buddha. Firstly, she went to every neighbor. Asking for medicine for her dead son. She had lost all her senses. No one could bring back the dead. Then she went to Buddha for making his son alive. Buddha asked her to bring a handful of mustard seeds from a house where no death had occurred, but she couldn't find such a house. In this way, Buddha made her realize that death is common to all. Only grieving, G-R-I-E-V-I-N-G, only grieving cannot bring the peace of mind. And now the last chapter has been remaining, and we are stopping the course here only. And from tomorrow onwards, we will start the revision of poetry. We will give you the question answers of poetry. You have to write it down in your copy. So sit with your copy for the poetry section. Get ready. The poems which are coming in the examination, from tomorrow onwards, from the beginning, I'll give you the question answers of them. Okay, everybody is getting what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is getting? So some of the poems have been deducted, but the poems which are there, we will start with them. We have read the poems. Even I have given you some stanzas with their questions. Have I given or not? Give me the answer in yes or no.
No, ma'am.
Not a single question I have given in the poetry. How it can be possible?
You have given stanzas.
Stanza-wise question, that is what I am asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Stanza-wise questions I have given, na? Simple questions, additional questions I haven't given.
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
will go with the additional questions from tomorrow onwards.
Yes, ma'am.
So that everybody is getting. And here our first poem is Dust of Snow. Still 5 minutes left, so you can write down the central idea of the poem. Put the heading, central idea of the poem. Write down the name of the poem, that is Dust of Snow. The poem is Dust of Snow. And below it, write down the central idea of the poem. The central idea of the poem. Hello. हाँ बताएं. हाँ जी बताइए. सर अभी थोड़ा सा हम लोग रजिस्ट्रेशन में बिजी चल रहे हैं. अभी मैम से मेरी बात हुई नहीं है. बात करते ही मैं आपको कॉल करूँगी. अभी मैं सर मैम से आज बात कर लूंगी और मैं आपको बताऊंगी. ठीक है. Now note down through this poem, Dust of Snow, through this poem, Dust of Snow, the poet conveys, this question comes in 3 marks. So just note it down. Through this poem, Dust of Snow, the poet conveys that the worst time, the worst, W-O-R-S-T, worst का मतलब सबसे खराब, worst time often comes in life of mankind, but a little good thing.
मैम ऑफ के बाद क्या है?
Mankind, just behave yourself. Again I am repeating, through this poem, Dust of Snow, the poet conveys that worst time often comes in the life of mankind, but a little good thing can change the entire course of action, the entire, E-N-T-I-R-E, entire course, C-O-U-R-S-E, course of action. The crow, dust, D-U-S-T, dust, and the hemlock tree, symbolize the bad things symbolize the bad things which make the people believe that something wrong is bound to happen. Something wrong is bound to happen. Hello. Good morning, ma'am. ठीक है. ठीक है मैम, ठीक है, मैं तो यही आंसर. Yes, beta, we are just stopping here.
Yes, ma'am.